What is up, guys? In this video I would like to introduce you completely free of charge way to stream your local media to a Chromecast, Apple TV, Raspberry Pi which runs OSMC, OpenLX, streaming sticks, whatever you think. This method works with bunch of streaming devices, the thing with this way is this is quite an unknown way. I haven't seen any video about it in YouTube, so I've decided to make one. So without more talking, let's go. Okay, so we will have to download Airflow and VLC. Let's head to Google. Airflow app, first result, airflowapp.com. Download the version matching your operation system. I have Windows 64-bit, so I will choose the 64-bit. I've already downloaded it, so I wouldn't download it again. I won't download it again, And we also need VLC media player. Now it's kind of tricky. You have to download VLC because Airflow uses VLC engine or something like that to stream MKV files or something. You have to have it, and I'm pretty sure you will use it anyway. It's quite a good software. The thing is that you have to download the version matching your operation system. So let's change the language to English. If you have Windows 32-bit, it's quite easy. You just have to click the download VLC button and boom, you're right there. I've already have it in my computer, so I won't download it again. But if you have 64-bit Windows, you have to download the VLC for 64-bit. So hit the little arrow over here, you see, and choose Other Systems. Now you have to choose, let's change the language to English again. English. Okay, Other Systems, and installer for 64-bit version. Okay, that's the 64-bit version installer. I've already have it, so I wouldn't download it again. I won't download it again. You could also download it from the FTP archive. Just scroll down to the latest version, hit the Win64-bit, and this file should be just fine. The ones with ends in the exe.exe file, this is the right file. Okay, after you have downloaded both Airflow and VLC media player, we'll install both of them. Just a second. Airflow first. Airflow. Hit the next. Install. This is pretty easy. Okay, finish. Now VLC. It will take about a minute. Start menu, no, I don't need it. Context menu, no. Yeah, seems just fine. Install. Run VLC, no. Okay. Now let's launch Airflow from our desktop, Airflow. It will take about 20 seconds. Yeah, okay. I have Sintel, which is a demonstration movie from the Blender Foundation. I don't know, this is GPU science movie, you don't really should care. Just drag and drop the file into Airflow, the file you want to play, as I just did. Do you see? I bet you see it. Drag and drop. Okay, now hit this button, choose your streaming device. In my case it's Living Chromecast, but you know, you could also choose OSMC, which is my OSMC operation system running on Raspberry Pi or Apple TV. I don't know, whatever you have, choose it. Double click the movie. It should take about a few seconds, and now it's stream. It's launched on my TV, so it took about 5 seconds, you know. But the interesting part is the settings. Audio, you could choose audio. Sometimes there is also audio in other languages if you need. I use English most. I use English. Just use English always. Sometimes there is subtitles. So let's talk about subtitles. In MKV files, there is sometimes built-in subtitles. In this case, you can see German, English, Spanish, French. You know, you could choose just one of them, and the movie should work just fine with the subtitles. You could also choose load external subtitles and choose it, browse, choose whatever SRT files you have. It also works with a bunch of other subtitles files, but you could choose the file. But it's that's the casual way. If you have the subtitles in the same name as the movie, Airflow will automatically detect it and run the subtitles with the movie, you know. But the interesting part is the search online. Search online, it uses OpenSubtitles.org engine to fetch subtitles online. You could choose a language, hit the download button, and automatically it will download the subtitles to the same folder with the same name and stream it with the subtitles. I personally don't like Airflow search online, fetching online subtitles, because it does not find a lot of the subtitles. So, I recommend to use VLC built-in subtitles downloader. So let's launch the video in VLC. Hit the view. You could also check the subtrack in subtitles, but it's only affect the built-in subtitles in the MKV files, so it really does not useful for us. If you haven't heard me, you could use the subtitles and choose subtrack, but it is not useful to our video because it wouldn't change anything in the streaming device. It's only for the computer watching. If you want to download subtitles, you will have to use the view download subtitles, choose language, for example Hebrew. Search by hash works a lot better. It finds usually the right subtitles without trying to download 3 or 4 different subtitles that synchronize well with your video. But this does not work well with big files. If your movie is 4 gigabits, it wouldn't work so well. So just hit the search by name, which should work just great anyway. Choose one of the subtitles, hit the download, and it should download the subtitles and give it the same name and the same folder as the original movie. And go back to Airflow, load external, choose the subtitles, and it should work just fine, you know. It will stream it to your TV, the subtitle you have just downloaded from VLC. If this does not work, just try to download another subtitles or something. Copy the files if there is an error over here, but it should be success. This is kind of it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, whatever you want. Bye.